These are the funniest animal videos ever.
It's kind of fat. He's fat. He's fed real good.
And then you got Donkey over here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hey, buddy. Hey, how? What? Oh. You're an ass.
This dog loves to watch horse racing. She was crying, and instead of helping her, her cat decided to judge her.
Fly. So close. We're here. There's the go. Oh.
Give me the best screen. Whoever got the best screen. You, alright, I got you right here.
Right here, do right here.
Move her ear.
Right here with my fingers up.
Her ear, bro.
This dog was upset because they got rejected. Have you ever seen a cow that looks like The Rock?
Can you not? Sir. Can I? What the f-
I have never seen a goat get so scared of falling off a 2-inch cliff.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh!
Imagine being this dumb and gullible. I have never seen a more evil smile. This fish at a pet store kept trying to hide. This goose came and scared away this gorilla. This might be the happiest owl in the world.